Hey guys, this is a reed seedling, and this is just another update from the grafting videos we've been doing. The last one was done a bit, not as well as I would like it, so I'm going to try it again. And this time we're going to graft a reed Scion as well as a Fuerte. So we've got two varieties. Let's begin by taking the stick off. And check that this one's a tad bit skinnier than that. I think this will go well with the other one. Let's go for the Fuerte. So I got the label in. This is the Fuerte. This time we got the blade which is more of a V rather than a U. So when I cut, hoping to cut it in cleft formation. Yep. So you can see here. And now I'm gonna fit this in there. So, so you can see here, guys, we have managed to get that in there. right, that looks good. And now we wrap the bottom end. So guys, there you go. 2 cleft grafted avocado plants. And you can see here that it's cut off a perfect piece. So that's the quick video. Thanks. See you on another one.